Good morning, dear kids. How are you all? Fine? Are you enjoying the classes? Really? Okay. So, shall we move to our previous knowledge? Are you all ready? Okay, then let me ask you a few questions. The only state in India that produces saffron. Do you remember? Yes, Jammu and Kashmir. Then the 15th census of India was conducted in 2011. Who is called the father of civil aviation in India? Right answer, J.R.D. Tata. Which of the following state is not among the seven sisters? Tripura, Assam, Manipur, Sikkim. Out of that, Sikkim. Okay. Which railway station is named after a Sufi saint? Hazrat Nizamuddin. Very correct. The first baby friendly state in India? Kerala. Very correct. Now, the first Indian to win a Miss World title, Rita Faria. Next question. Which state is known as the Orchid Paradise of India? Yes, it's Arunachal Pradesh. What is the childhood name of Jhansi Ki Rani Lakshmibai? Manikarnika. Then the next. Which is the first state in India to have been formed purely on linguistic basis? Andhra Pradesh. Which city is called the City of Palaces? Kolkata. Okay. Which parallel of latitude divides India into almost two equal parts? Tropic of Cancer. Do you remember what is the logo of Swachh Bharat Mission? Yes. Ek Kadam Swachhata Ki Aur. And the last question, Our Lady of Good Health in Tamil Nadu is popularly known as? Yes, Our Lady of Velankanni. And also you remember about the beam to make India cashless? Yes, no? Okay, so that's all we discussed in the previous chapter, India quiz. Now, our next chapter is about first in the world. That's of chapter 17, first in the world. Do you remember few questions what I have asked you in the previous class? The highest navigable lake, the highest plateau, then the highest railway track, the highest volcano, and one more I asked, the highest motorable road. Do you remember all these? Have you got the answers? Okay, I know that you children are very clever, so you will find all these answers. Is it so? So anyway, this chapter we'll discuss about all these. Highest navigable lake, highest plateau, highest railway track, highest volcano, highest motorable road, largest archipelago. Do you know what is archipelago? All these we'll discuss. So let's move with the 17th chapter, first in the world. See, here certain names are little bit tough, but by hearing many times you will be familiar with. Okay, my dear children. So listen carefully with the spellings. The terms what I have been used here. Okay, so we have to discuss with certain questions like the highest navigable lake, the highest plateau, the highest railway track, the highest volcano, the highest motorable road, the largest archipelago, the largest coral formation, the largest volcano, the largest glacier in the nonpolar region, the oldest national flag, the tallest fountain, the first country to adopt a written constitution, the longest and highest glass bridge. The first adhesive postage stamp was the British one penny stamp. Okay, so all these are the questions we have to discuss today. And we are discussing all these about first in the world. Okay. So children, let's start with. So what is the first question? The highest navigable lake. What is the answer for that? Titicaca. So the lake Titicaca is the highest navigable lake. About Lake Titicaca, Spanish Lago Titicaca, the world's highest lake, navigable body of water. Okay. Now when we move to the second question, the highest plateau. Yes, that's familiar with you. The answer. What is that answer? Pamir. Yes, all you have heard about the highest plateau. That is Pamir. So let's talk on Pamir. Pamir's also called Pamir, highland region of Central Asia. So the Pamir Mountains were created by crustal tectonics. So these mountains now radiate from the Pamirs, and most of them are more than 4,000 meters in height. Because of this, the Pamir Mountains are known as the roof of the world. Okay. Now the third question, the highest railway track. We find little tough in pronouncing this. Qinghai Tibet Railway, that is in China. Pronounce it Qinghai Tibet Railway in China. Okay, so what is that? Highest railway track. Qinghai Tibet Railway or Qingsang Railway is a high elevation railway that connects Xining, Qinghai Province to Lhasa, Tibet Autonomous Region of China. The railway is 1956 kilometers. So, got children? I am talking about this Qinghai Tibet Railway. Okay, so let's move to the next one. The highest volcano. That's also a nice name. Ojos del Salado. Not salad. The highest volcano is Ojos del Salado in Argentina. Okay, so let's know something about that Ojos del Salado. The highest active volcano in the world is Ojos del Salado on the Chile-Argentina border. Clear? Clear now? Okay. So Chile-Argentina border in the central Andes. It rises only about 2,000 meters above its base. Now the fifth one, the highest motorable road. This name, have you heard anywhere? Kardang La in Ladakh. The highest motorable road is Kardang La in Ladakh. So Kardang La is a mountain pass in the Leh district of the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh. It was the world's highest motorable pass. Clear, children? Okay. Now we move to the next one. The largest archipelago. What is this archipelago? Archipelago means extensive group of islands. That is what the archipelago. Now tell me, which is the largest archipelago? That is in Indonesia. Okay. So the largest archipelago is Indonesia. So the largest archipelago in the world was formed by glacial retreat. The Malay archipelago between the Pacific and Indian Oceans contains more than 25,000 islands in Southeast Asia. Okay, next. Seventh one. The largest coral formation. That is Great Barrier Reef. in Australia. The largest coral formation is Great Barrier Reef in Australia. So, Great Barrier Reef is the largest coral reef system in the world. The reef is located off the coast of Queensland, Australia, in the Coral Sea. Now, the eighth one, the largest volcano, Mauna Loa volcano in Hawaii. The largest volcano is Mauna Loa volcano in Hawaii. So, Mauna Loa volcano, the world's largest volcano, located on the south central part of the island of Hawaii, US, and a part of the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Okay, children, shall I continue? Okay. Now, the ninth one, the largest glacier in the non-polar region. The largest glacier in the non-polar region, that is Siachen Indo-Pak border. The largest glacier in the non-polar region is Siachen Indo-Pak border. So, Siachen Glacier is the longest glacier in Himalaya and the second longest glacier in the world outside the polar regions. Now, the 10th one, the oldest national flag, that is of Denmark. The oldest national flag is of Denmark. So, the country with the oldest flag in the world is that of Denmark. The Danish flag, called Dannebrog, dates back to the 13th century AD. It is believed to have been in existence since June 15, 1219, though it was officially recognized as the national flag in 1625. Got, children? It's a general idea of all these things. Now the 11th one, the tallest fountain is, that is King Fahad's fountain in Jeddah, that is in Saudi Arabia. Okay, so King Fahad's fountain, also known as the Jeddah fountain, is a fountain in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia, the tallest of its type in the world. Now we move to the 12th one, the first country to adopt a written constitution, that is, that's of United States of America. The 7,762 word US Constitution, generally considered the world's oldest written national constitution, still in use. It was drafted during the Constitutional Convention in Philadelphia. Okay, that's about our first country to adopt a written constitution. Okay, now the 13th one, the longest and the highest glass bridge. Have you heard of this one? Nice name. Sangyaji Grand Canyon Glass Bridge, that is in China. Sangyaji Grand Canyon Glass Bridge in China. So let's know about the much heralded world's highest and longest glass-bottomed bridge has opened to visitors in central China. It connects two mountain cliffs in what are known as the Avadar Mountains in Sangyaji, Hunan province. Okay, that's about this longest and highest glass bridge. Now the last one. The first adhesive postage stamp was the British 1 penny stamp, nicknamed as the Penny Black. Penny Black was the world's first adhesive postage stamp used in a public postal system. It was first issued in the United Kingdom. The stamp features a profile of Queen Victoria. Children, have you understood with all these names? Clear, no children? So, shall I continue? Okay, so you have to think of these questions for the next class. Can you tell me which is that National Diet Building, Palace of Westminster? then the capital. Yes, all these are the parliaments around the world. So just find out these questions and I'll be back to you for the next class with all this. So just have a look on this chapter, chapter 17, first in the world, very clearly. Okay, children, thank you. Have a nice day.